Located just 5 minutes to downtown Caledonia and 10 minutes to Ancaster and highway access, this sprawling bungalow is set on a breathtaking double-wide country property offering almost an acre with 166 feet of frontage. Imagine entertaining your family and friends around the fire, playing games, swimming in your saltwater pool, or maybe you want to build your dream garage and workshop. This incredible property offers so much potential. Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 109 Unity Side Road. This beautiful bungalow features 3 spacious bedrooms with an updated 5-piece bath and hardwood flooring throughout. There's a large living room with scenic views, a dining and entertaining area with access out to a covered deck overlooking the pool, and this stunning gourmet kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances, RO water, and a large island. The finished basement offers fantastic recreation space with a gas fireplace, room for a home gym or a family play area. There is a second bath, an office area that can easily be converted to a 4th bedroom, and plenty of storage space.